Now let's see in Excel how to insert charts like this inside the cell itself. First, move to the insert tab. Under insert tab you have something called Sparkline. Under the Sparkline you can click this column. So once you click the column, it will ask you to select the data range. So we can select the data range, then click the small arrow, then you can click OK. So now you can see the chart is there inside the cell. So if you drag it from this fill handle, it will get pasted for other rows as well. So this is how you can insert a chart inside a cell in Excel within few seconds. Now let's learn how to insert a drop down in Excel. So here I want to insert a drop down for the favorite color. So in order to do that, go to a separate sheet first of all. If not, you can do it in the same sheet also. You have to type what are the options which is going to come under that particular drop down. So let me type the options which is green,